The game of the night, the Pelicans and the Nets. Gonna get things started off with some shot clock cheese in the first quarter. Anthony Davis from near the half-court line. Davis finished the game with 44 points and 17 rebounds. Rondo, he had a triple-double tonight as he's gonna lob it up to Davis. Now he's working out of the post. Tough layup. Rondo's stat line, he had 25 points, 10 rebounds, and 12 assists. D'Angelo Russell misses, rebounded, it's saved. Look at this chaotic finish. The Nets would come storming back. They were down by as much as 28 points. Look, another three in the corner. They just keep leaving Crab. He had 28 points tonight, and Dinwiddie had 24. Tapped rebound goes back, and Dinwiddie gonna go all the way. Oh, I thought that was gonna be a poster, but it's an and one layup as he takes the hit to the face. All of a sudden, it's a three-point game. 14 seconds remaining. It's gonna be Crab again to tie. Wow, how do you leave this guy open in the corner? How many times does he have to hit the corner three before you switch and focus in on what he's doing to win the game? At the buzzer, Drew Holiday, frozen up, gives it to Anthony Davis, faces up, 2 seconds, and it's off. We're going to overtime. Alvin Gentry can't believe that his team blew a 28-point lead. Crab working on Davis, just gonna launch the three, and it's in. The Nets in overtime have a 4-point lead. Pelicans have to respond. Drew Holiday in the post. He throws up a hook shot. It's good and one. He would tie the game at the free throw line. Dinwiddie comes off the screen, gives it up to Carroll. Spin, fake spin, half spin, turns it over. But when we look at the replay, it looks like Carroll got fouled. The refs called nothing. You see Rondo on the reach in. Uh-oh, he's not happy. We're going to double overtime. The ball don't lie. Davis would turn up the heat in double overtime in the clutch, and the Pelicans are going to hold on to win this chaotic game. I'm going for the takedown. He got me. Maybe I need to land a jab and a straight and then go for it. Nice duck. See, he just moved. Oh, he tried a spinning back fist. He tried to get fancy on Moses. Okay. Now you really got to go to sleep for doing that. How dare you come out here trying to get fancy on Moses?